Alright, so I'm gonna do a little exhaust test for you guys. I have this microphone here. Hopefully it sounds good. Try and capture the most accurate exhaust sound for the video. Alright, hopefully that sounded decent for you guys. Maybe later I'll do like a actual driving, like I'll put a GoPro on there. I don't really have a little mic I can throw on there, but maybe I'll put like a little GoPro on there and try and do a driving sound test. But yeah, that was the exhaust.